In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your audio files into CapCut. Whether you're making a TikTok, a YouTube short, or a longer video, getting your own music, voiceovers, or sound effects into CapCut is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently bring in your audio, line it up with your clips, and start editing right away. First, open CapCut on your device and create or open the project you want to work on. Make sure your video clips are already imported into the timeline so you can see where your audio will go. If you don't have footage yet, you can still follow along with a blank project. You'll just be focusing on the audio track for now. Next, look for the audio section in CapCut. On mobile, you'll usually see an audio or sounds button at the bottom of the screen when you're in the editing view. Tap that to open up the audio options. On desktop, you'll find a similar audio option in the toolbar or above the timeline. Inside the audio menu, CapCut will show you different sources, built-in sounds, maybe some effect libraries, and the option to use your own files. What we want is your device's audio, so choose the option that refers to local files, device audio, or imported audio. This is where the files you've downloaded or recorded are stored. Now browse through your folders until you find the audio file you want to use. It could be a music track, a recorded voiceover, or a sound effect. Tap or click the file to select it, and then confirm to import it into CapCut. Depending on the size of the file and your device, this might take a moment. Once it's imported, you'll see the audio appear as a new track in your timeline. From here, you can drag it left or right to decide where the sound should start in your video. Zoom in on the timeline if you need more precision. You can also trim the beginning or end by dragging the edges of the audio clip, or split it if you want to cut out sections. Finally, play back your video to check the timing and volume. If the music is too loud compared to your dialogue, tap on the audio clip and adjust the volume slider. When everything sounds right and lines up with your visuals, you're done adding your audio file to CapCut and ready to continue editing or export your project.